too. That was pretty scary to do, but apparently this is military grade, and as you can see from our clip, this is a pretty durable laptop. Let's get to the point. They're boasting this as a trusted IT and business laptop. So in terms of the business laptop, what you want for your business is 1, high security, and 2, efficiency. Guess what? This ASUS ExpertBook is a TPM 2.0, which means it has a dedicated security chip for passwords, encryption keys, and BitLocker data. So all that to say, this is one of the most secure laptops that at least I've ever seen. They're claiming this is one of the most trusted laptops for IT experts. Is that true though? They're claiming this laptop is actually good for businesses. It's actually pretty budget friendly is what they're claiming, which yes, the price is pretty great, but we'll just have to see if the price is worth the specs. Hey guys, it's Laz again, and today we're going to be looking at one of what ASUS claims is one of the most trusted laptops for ITs and businesses. This is the ASUS ExpertBook P3 PM3406. And as you know, ASUS laptops are pretty durable. They go through military grade quality testing, so we're just gonna have to see if they are what they say they are. So, what's inside the box? Well, once you open this 100% recyclable cardboard box, you get, of course, the laptop itself with all its protective gear, your standard warranties, and your standard user's manual. My favorite part about this is it comes with a free mouse, which they didn't have to do, but it's nice that they did. You get your charging brick, which in this case is a Type-C charger that you can also use, I guess, for your cell phone. But setting that aside, let's go for what we're actually here for, which is the laptop itself. And I gotta say, I do like the design. It's silver too. That was pretty scary to do, but apparently this is military grade, and as you can see from our clip, this is a pretty durable laptop. So what makes this actually trusted by office workers and IT supporters? Okay, first, let me explain the difference between a consumer laptop and a commercial laptop, which this happens to be. So a consumer laptop is the kind that we usually use for, let's say, general use, like when we're watching Netflix, just using it for school, you know, for casual use. For ASUS, that would be their VivoBook series, but this is their ExpertBook series, which is their commercial line. So a commercial laptop is what they would use for businesses, for IT work, for corporate work, for enterprises. It needs higher security, higher durability, and as we know, with big companies like BPOs, with enterprises, they're holding really sensitive data that can't leak anywhere else. That's why the security on laptops like this has to be pretty high. Let's get to the point. They're boasting this as a trusted IT and business laptop. So in terms of the business laptop, what you want for your business is 1, high security, and 2, efficiency. So for the high security, they actually have a bunch of built-in features. First, they have a physical lock right here, so in case it gets stolen, if they don't have the key, they can't even open the laptop. And to even turn it on, here, look, they have a security feature right here, which means that only you with your unique fingerprint can even turn this on, if you can. Guess what? This ASUS ExpertBook is a TPM 2.0, which means it has a dedicated security chip for passwords, encryption keys, and BitLocker data. So all that to say, this is one of the most secure laptops that at least I've ever seen. And when it comes to multitasking, well, this is a Ryzen 5 AI processor with, guess what, a built-in co-pilot button, allowing you to handle multiple tabs, multiple tasks, all at the same time without getting overwhelmed. Now, when it comes to IT protection, what I want to highlight is actually the TCO certification, which is an independent organization which verifies this laptop as one of the most energy efficient, one of the easiest to repair and upgrade laptops ever. Any TCO certified ASUS ExpertBook has premium sustainability certification, which this laptop happens to have. Let's talk about what we usually do, which is the appearance, which I will say, like I said earlier, I love the color on this thing. It's gray, but not boring gray. It's kind of shiny like a silver, but it's also matte, so it doesn't really hurt my eyes. Plus, it says over here, ASUS ExpertBook. And compared to the VivoBook, this is more professional looking, because when you look at the VivoBook, it's more, I'm not really bashing it, but it looks more plain. It looks like it's for general use, but this is for professional use, which means that they accomplish what they're gonna do, at least when it comes to the looks. It's pretty slim, and when it comes to the ports, you have here your Type-C, your HDMI, your USB Type-A, another Type-C, and your audio combo jack. And on the other side, you would have your USB Type-A, your LAN port, and check it out over here, a Kensington lock for your security. And as for the dimensions, we're just gonna have to check it out. So, the length is 31.3 centimeters, the width is 22.7 centimeters, and the height is 2.3 centimeters. So it's all in all a pretty slim laptop, which now we're gonna go look at the weight, and judging from how I'm holding it, I guess this is pretty light already. And it only weighs 1.37 kilograms, which, you know what? Fair. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk about the specs of this laptop. The model of this laptop is the ASUS ExpertBook P3 PM3406. So, well, it boasts an AMD Ryzen AI 5 330 processor with 4 cores and 8 threads. It has a base boost of 2.0 GHz and it has a max boost of 4.5 GHz. A Ryzen 5 AI is good for office work, opening and using multiple tabs, and AI features. That's why it's a Ryzen 5 AI. The ASUS ExpertBook P3 is also available with an AMD Ryzen AI 7 3050 processor, delivering the same great quality with even more performance. Right now the RAM is pretty good, it's 16 gig, and the graphics card is an integrated AMD Radeon 820M graphics card 420 MB. And the storage is your pretty standard 512 gigabytes. And it boasts a Windows 11 Pro operating system. But the downside is it doesn't come with free Microsoft Office, which, you know, oh well. Welcome to the conference of Insert the Company and Enterprise right here. My name is Lance, I'll be your speaker for today. And for the camera, and I'm actually pretty loving this camera right now. Look how clear my face and the images are. You can already see the background right here. The camera is actually pretty good. Now let's do the audio quality test. Hi everyone, so this is the camera test, and wow, okay, we're using a pretty loud speaker right now to the point that I had to shout to even hear myself. This is it without the noise cancelling, and this is it with the noise cancelling. So you can judge for yourself in the video whether you like it or not, but as for me, I can't tell the difference because the music is so loud. So that was the camera and the noise cancelling test, which I gotta say I really did like the camera and the noise cancelling. There is a slight caveat though. Because of how loud our music was, the noise cancelling actually ended up also changing the way my voice sounds. But as you noticed with the video, my voice is intelligible, which is the whole point of noise cancelling, especially for this kind of laptop. It actually kind of sounds like I'm using a condenser mic, but I'm just using the built-in speaker, microphone, and the noise cancelling software that they have, which all in all, honestly 11 out of 10. And now after the speaker and the camera test, you know we gotta do a sound test on this laptop. So judge for yourselves. I'm gonna put my mic close to the laptop, so you tell me what you guys think. Now talking about the price point of this laptop, when you compare it to the other commercial laptops, it actually has a very competitive price point. And guess what? Here at Laptop Factory, we're actually selling it for even lower than that. Of course, we all know that we sell our laptops for below SRP. And as you can see here in our spill test, this is one of the most durable laptops ever. I'm actually cringing watching the video right now of how we spilled water on this thing, but I digress. It actually still holds up. So my verdict is this is actually one of the best work laptops for professionals that you can get. It has amazing noise cancelling and an amazing camera. It has amazing security features and is perfect for freelancers, for business owners, for IT experts, and guess what? We and ASUS are actually doing bulk orders of this laptop. So if you're going to be starting your business or want to upgrade your business, you know where to find them. So let's move all the corporate stuff out of the way, and I'm going to tell you something that I'm not supposed to, my own opinion. So me personally, no. But let's say I worked in IT or was starting a business, or let's say I just wanted to upgrade whatever laptop I already provided for my employees. Would I get the ASUS ExpertBook? Then yeah, I guess I would. So I would rate this laptop an 11 out of 10 purely because of how durable it is. I mean, you saw what we did, oh my gosh, with the water. So if you found this video helpful, I guess the best thing you can do right now is to, I don't know, like and subscribe. Push that bell notification. I'm speaking really gently because I'm very sleepy. And look out for our next vlog where we're gonna do another ExpertBook, which is actually at a better price point than this one, because this one is for commercial, but the other one I hear is way cheaper. So I'm gonna get to bed now. This is Laz signing off. Goodbye to my American English viewers and to my Filipino viewers. Mabuhay tayo mga kabayan. Good night.